Dang. Yeah, that's pretty slick.
Alright, here Mike is going to be repairing a fender on this 65 C10. He's just putting a patch in it. As you can tell, you want to make sure you get your measurements real good before you go cutting the panel that you're patching and the material that you're patching it with. Alright, so we do want to point out when using cutting wheels and grinders, you want to wear safety glasses and gloves and all that. But also, notice Mike's taking his time to make sure he gets the cuts precisely on his marks. And this is the point that Mike realizes that fender was full of Bondo, duct tape, and God knows what else. Just a fun little fact right here. That piece of metal that Mike is making the patch out of actually came from the bed when they had this truck shut down to a short bed. So technically, it is all original metal. Alright, so now that he's got the piece test fitted, notice he's grinding the paint away from there. You never want to MIG weld to a dirty surface with paint and stuff on it. That is a fact. So now what you see, Mike's just doing a little work to the inner fender area there to help with the structural integrity. Make sure that it's good to go for years to come. So what you just saw is Mike trying to get that body line with the body hammer and the dolly. The whole point of this truck is it's got a really nice patina, so we don't want to use any filler or fancy paint or anything. So he's going to do as much as he can metalwork-wise. And then the doggo shows up. And of course, you have to take a break to pet the dog. That's just how it works. So you notice a lot of grinding going on right here before the paint. That's because, like we said before, don't want to use any filler. It's just a matter of trying to get it as smooth as you can on the metalwork itself. Now watch the paint process here. Couple things, a rattle can, a brush, again trying to match the patina. And there you have it, folks. All this was done in a matter of a couple hours. Looks good, matches the truck. You can do it with some patience.